Adohia wabedene itwedohia wabedene wabowe wabavan wabota dan debu ne da ye awe pon oso awu huma we sedene owe seged ma ya woge edo ma ya toge do ma ite woni ogiari erun gyosa nonya wa sadogbo wa benera ke wogo mo ke wogo no wa ma pon won o yedende no ri ni ma da odi awu ma no do so ma pon won ye ngunagun ma pon won ye noro ma pon won ye ri on ke wigbegbe ma pon won ye wa ke bode ma pon won ye dan ri ni ma ke gbera ma ke jawe ma gbe wa gbon uyo wo sadogbo wo para ga wo para ro da gbon wa ya fe ma we di wana da ojavana imado te oruban lo no kan we ma ya le we he na enwini ibude no wonya ibude ebe don hu awon ibude ye edi ma wo ebe ma ta ma mi anu ri yi ma hin o egi ma iroruwa ogodo anu gi ebe ma ta gi ebe la rion oge wan no dai ho ye dogbebu dan ya dan heaven wo na dan heaven dan ya ibudo we dan na okiki are akiba ba don ma fe no yin wo gba no we vi okay a don emi okay a u no be ri yoba ni won abehe ne bo wan ya ton mo salo ba wan na no be ni Jesus Christ mo nya wa isa what you do yare o ya o na ibude no real ibude orujo hen osa ma ite lani ihori na mo wa ya fe ina mo wa na mo de wa ya bo ye he de wa ma bo de e mo bu di ama odo bu ame bu de ama e mo ni ya fe ya mi ba agba orin ya be ye esuku owiwe mi ave joma ave de iye ba ira wa no kwa iye ba no kwa ya bo ya ma de no gbe na de be gbo ya se ya na ye yiwu na dia ye setting ayo ma wa ho be no kina Nigeria ye dekere e ma na be na wa ya fe de ya no yiwu na ye setting ayo ya yo ko ma library ma wa ku yo waniri ye koria waniri ye kavia waniri ye kaba waniri edo ya fe no be webu no re London no re Australia no re Germany no re Spain no re Italy no re America re Canada that day we do ya fe keke ngwa ya ye ma we jotu wa ya o na oso egbe o ibude eri ibude aye na o ibude oge ogi ohun sa ibude oge ogi ohun sa ba ngwa kan na o oso egbe o ti ma ni yere obokin o kin le bia soke obokin o bira ba egbon salobo were du wa ya we ma o ya we ma o wa etin ya bo du ya ba obese oge ibude o ibude oga dene oye ogo ai ma agwa kan dene na ibude oga dene ogo o se ti ngbe o oga se ti ngbe. Everybody come together, let us learn and share. It's time for pastoral counseling. Pastoral counseling. For us to have the wisdom to walk in this world. Everybody knows counseling. Everybody needs counseling. For where there is no counseling, the people may perish. Therefore, we need to be counseled on how to behave, what to do and what not to do at any point in time. Pastoral counseling. Today's topic is the virtue of respect. The virtue of respect. Respect. We hear much about that word, respect. Respect. It's a virtue. It's one of the good things of life. It's one of the good things to learn, to know, and to use. Respect. So today we will talk about respect. What is respect? Where did it come from? Why do we have to do it? And when we do it, what it means? And if we don't do it, what it means? And we will have to support it with the word of God from the Bible. The virtue of respect. Ogo. Mana do ba wa he na ogo. Ba yogo ka. Woke de bo die. Ba yogo ru. Ba lo ha. Ai mo go bo ki si bo ki gbe bo ki he. E ma agwa ka na. Wa ge we ka ta yi wo o wa no go. We ka we yi we u go. E ma agwa ka na. Ore be don wa o. Iwe mi oga de na be don wa. Ore Peter no ka o. Unwe va o vi harabugie. Peter no ka o. The be Peter no ka o ha. O vient. Unwe va no. O vient harabugie. Ma ati be no wa o. Obere e obe he. Ati Philippians unwe va wi ha. Dage the be don't want ma ati e da na e o. Ma ati e one. There are two passages for today where we are going to draw our counseling from. Number one is 1 Peter 2:17. The second one is Philippians 2, verse 3. We will read it, and that's where we will draw our counseling topic from. 1 Peter 2:17. Hear the word of God. Honor all men. Love the brotherhood. Fear God. Honor the king. Servants, be subject to your masters with all fear. Not only to do good to the gentle, but also to the froward. Let me read it, Nedo. If you don't want to have Peter no can wave Vavian Harabugi. Oh, where you're going, Evan here. Where I went, Evan here. Where I'm more Osanoboa. Uwe Morgan, Oba Kebogi. Egoandia. Wagabu Nkoto ne Nanya wa. Bugi Muha. Eya no we use your pack out. Keneve ma over no one anyone. Abu Nkoto dia here fefe. Let's go to Philippians 2, verse 3. Philippians 2, verse 3. Hear the word of God. Let nothing be done through strife or vainglory, but in lowliness of mind. Let each one esteem other better than himself. Now we bear Philippians 1 valving her. Living in heaven on Yamakai. Agaye Oswa. Kere da badege da baka iweri keri. So pa we megberi to go hian. E da ndaga don ri ogo no wa be 7 or here ni gbe. Heaven on Yamana hian. O sadobwa do wodwa. La ho fiagbeme wena. Ni manedo ma ya we bi be dagbo wa. Onyi me ma ga nwe hin no amose. Na do you no we do sado wodwa. Ino e we ni Jesus Christ no nyawa. Yes. Waso boy ade gbetie o. Eti man yi were obere yo ti man Patrick Osunde obokia o. Obokia ko egbebe. Si yo salobo weso na were o. Obe ya watia do bo ya wa biaga tota. Nati na re na na. Ibude aye de na na. Ibude manga de na ogo. Akari ela jana o. Iwo do daga brother Osunde. Ibude de na ogo. agwaka na be yebuta room da ibi man no be nwa ba man ya be kan ki pada ya gi bi ka ni abi ahun pastoral counseling today. The topic is the virtue of respect. The virtue of respect. Ogo. Ege manari bi aka bi si. Ma e baba pa na tie ogo. Owa e ni. Oh! Ogo ope ni na o. Na ma e be ni. Ima ye baba ni iragbon ni de iragbon e mi na ye wewu ogo. Orí máa bí ìradùn. Ó gà é o. Wọ́n ọgọ́. Mẹ́ka dùn tánẹ̀. Màá bí kí náà zanzan náà òtútù ọ̀yẹ́. Wọ́n ọgọ́. Àwọn ọgọ́ ògùn wọn àwọn ọgọ́. Ọ̀wé ọ̀wá ni ọ̀wọ́ ọgọ́ à. Ọ̀wé ọ̀wá ni ọ̀wá rí ọ̀gọ́ náà wá. Ọ̀wé ọ̀wá ni ọ̀gọ́ ní yẹn. Wọ́n ọgọ́. Nsúwèmí ní ẹ̀dá àwọn ẹ̀yà màmá mi ẹ̀yìn náà. Nsúwèmí ní yí máa tábí màrẹ̀ yá ẹ̀yọ́ náà. Ọgọ́ ọgọ́ ọwé nu àwọn ọgọ́. Nu àwọn ọgọ́. Ọgọ́ ọ̀yẹ̀ òtúá. Òtúá. Òtúá ọ̀yẹ̀ ìrìnà kà ó nà yá ìpa ọgọ́. Dígọ̀ fún àmì ọgọ́. Ẹ̀ máa ta. Dígọ̀ fún àmì ọgọ́. Ọ̀hàdẹ̀gọ̀ wọn ọ̀tẹ̀ sì kìnnà yé òyìn kàtú ọ̀wọ́n. Ọ̀yìn pọ́lọ sọ̀fánì o. Ọ̀yìn máa pọ́lì orí kèrè sọ̀fánì o. Ọgọ́ ni òtúẹ́ ni ọ̀yìn kárí ẹ̀ ládùn. Dé náà wá ẹ̀yìn kí. Yẹn náà tó ẹ̀ ọ̀bà ní ẹ̀ díẹ̀. Ọ̀wẹ̀ kó yọ ìwẹ̀. Kó yọ tẹ̀wẹ̀. Dé ìgbàmá ẹ̀ kí. Yẹn á tó ẹ̀ náà wá ẹ̀. Ọ̀wẹ̀ dọ́mọ̀ wà wá. Dọ́mọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ. Dọ́mọ̀ ló wá ẹ̀. Ọ̀bá ẹ̀ fọ wa o. Ọ̀bẹ̀ rí ẹ̀. Òtúẹ́. Ọ̀wùkù ni ẹ̀túẹ́ ọ̀bẹ̀ rí ẹ̀ báyìí. Dọ́mọ̀ wà lági sàn. Ọ̀bẹ̀ èbù ikú èrè. Dé wọ́n á ní kẹ́kẹ́ bọ́kì ní wọ́n ẹ̀ ọ̀wà ní igbó ẹ̀ sótọ̀. Ẹ̀dùn mi nínú sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́yá wímà. Ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan gbé o. A níyẹn máa sábà á tẹ́ náà ẹ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́ àyàn bó yàn gbọ̀n. Anádò níyẹn máa sábà á tẹ́ náà ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni màá yá lù ẹ́ ní náà ẹ̀. Ọ̀tún àfọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀. Dèdè wọn àdèdè. Wọ́n á rí igbó ẹ̀ sótọ̀. Yàkà mẹ́nà wọn ẹ̀ ní. Dọ́mọ̀ bàbá lágẹ̀sà. Dọ́mọ̀ yìí lámògùn o. Dọ́mọ̀ ìpà ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́wọ̀n láàbíyèsè o. Láàkún o. Màsíwọ̀n náà bá ọtí wọn yẹ Kingston Ọbásanjọ́ ọ̀nà làwà ọ̀yìn làwà ìnáwó kàtà ẹ̀wẹ̀ dọ́mọ̀ Bishop láàkún. Wútàì. Ní ọ̀bọ̀n náà o Kingston ló fi ọ̀fẹ́ sókè. Ọwọ́ dọ́mọ̀ Bishop láàkún. Èdè ẹ̀ máa ń wèrè tà ẹ̀wọ̀n náà ẹ̀yìn pa o. Lágẹ̀sà láàbò. Láàbà tó ẹbí ni màá nẹ́ẹ̀dọ̀ ta. Èmi kẹ́mi ní dáadọ́ àmì àwọn anẹ́ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà tó ẹ̀. Àmì àwọn anẹ́ẹ̀mẹ̀ òkú náà tó ẹ̀. Ọtí máa pa gbẹ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ dórí ìdánsọ̀n. Ọ̀dọ́ wẹ̀ àhìn àwọn kan òkú náà tó ẹ̀. Wẹ̀ golf course wẹ̀ dó. Ìpẹ́ díẹ̀ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọgbọ̀n òkè nàìjíríà. Àhìn àwọn kan òkú náà tó ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni yà tó òkú náà tó ẹ̀ rẹ̀ dó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni àbí yà ń wá ẹ̀ van ẹ̀. Mẹ̀ hó ni mẹ̀ àrẹ̀ bá. Mẹ̀ hó ni mẹ̀ bẹ́ gbọ̀n kan òkú náà tó ẹ̀. Òtú ẹ̀ ọ̀ká o nà yà ẹ̀ ọ̀mà sí. Òtú ẹ̀ ọ̀ká o nà yà ẹ̀ ọ̀mà náà ẹ̀ ní ọ̀mà náà bí ẹ̀ sè. Ẹ̀wọ̀n kéde, ọ̀wọ̀n kéde, ẹgbẹ̀rún kéde, òtú ẹ̀. Hegi amiero twe kwa uno no kuba de obo hia wo oh no wan no obo kan no keki de obo hia wo ya se va wa bo hia wo wa de ma wo no hia wo da ma o ko ya o urere otwe ehun no na gwa to ma wọ́n yá ká ẹ̀rọ wá sí ẹ̀kí. Ìbọ́tí ẹ̀rà, ìwọ ọmọ ẹ̀rà, ọmọ òṣè ẹ̀rà, ọwọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀rà, ọkí ẹ̀rà gbọ́n ẹ̀rà, bẹ́gbọ́ àtọ̀ ọ̀má. Ó tó wà ẹ̀ òkà ọ̀dọ́kà ọ̀. Ọgbọ́n àtọ̀ ọ̀má, ọ ní ọ̀wà nà ọ̀wọ̀ ọgọ́. Ọwọ́ ọ̀bà ń gbọ́ ẹgbẹ́ àtọ̀ ọ̀má, ìyá ẹ̀dẹ́nàgọ̀ ìbò. Ẹ̀dẹ́nàgọ̀ ìbò, ẹ̀gì òtún ẹ̀rà kú àwọn nù ẹ̀. Ewanso memi ewanso agbona otu wa ahwa onu ya we don ta wa bakwa be man do ta ege han ge ranu ni piwo pa no ro nu ge defua oh edo wa he na tana otu oyi go no ka o oge ogo do ma ogo otu Otwe boy ogo otwe don. Otwe okawo. No pogeba. Ogo ada no wa ada negbe ada ni ho wa. Ye mata. Otwe eta da. Ada ni ali ogo no ma bi. Adani ho nagbagi o nagba otu adani ya ayo no pa basic anko ya ayi asila ayi agi no to odi ogo na ogo na ga de ka bi wa bo re u be ka to o wa ni se ka to wa yen o ma pene gbe fo ye ma ni do wa say aye me obi ado na gbe gba to wa hi ayebe ka to obona bia ayebe ka to wana gba tiebe ayebe gba to wana na gba nwena ada oni ogo ada ni ho oni ogo ada ni ho o se bai uji ho don oni lo wan kan nupo ge ha aro ogo oni aro Ago ta aroma ne bobtie praise aroma o iwe ogo no baba ogo no iye we ni je ogo no o da we no do me ogo no o ka we ni mo se ogo no iye no ese ogo no iye no jago ogo no aroma no nya se ogo no Ogwaki or twaki or no. Aru praise. Aroma. Eh, tawe na robe na so ba o. Have ru awon nagbon. Ai ru Iho aba. Iho ye ogono. Iho no wan ogono. Ide aba ogono. Ayo ogono. Oni ogo. Aroma bi. Iri ogo no gbe mu ko ta nu o. Ide ba o baba. O ha gun ka yo. Goy. O se. Ogo, oye o se. Goy o se. Ogo o se no o se. Eri mane do tai. Ogo o se. O mana ogo, o ni o wana mo se o de na he mo o manda ho na ho na lele. O na mu yo bo. O na ho na fi bo yo to. O na ho na je mo na. O de o se o mani wa do wa mu so no ogo. amuhewa awa huevo mata yo wano mata ogo si omano ogo aga bo hiado agwa lore adna won yen hu si omano si agwa loko kuno ogo akata ogo ariogo ne wa nari ogo no ma ho ne amusoso ayi agimi agwala boku na ri wa ye raben ire be no do o pe don ogo aho na yo mona ogo ni eme ni o ri gbo mona ya na ni ogo ni eme ni o be se gbe na ke bi yo money no yo mona mami eni wa yo mona wa ya o ni a de o pe ni ogo eyi go ka o ba gbona edo eyi go o ka o ba gbona o edo ogo ore ose ogo otwe ogo ya da ogo ya ru ogo ose udege nupo kisa ogo uyi ogo uyi ore baba oruwegbe oni ogo oruwegbe ọ̀ràngẹ́dọ̀ òyàbá uyọrí yé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbẹ́ wọ́n ní ní ma ọ̀rọ̀ ní àdìyẹ ní yé èyí nù ẹ̀ uyọrí wẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbẹ́ wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ ní àdìyẹ ní ìwẹ̀ èyí nù ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ uyì nù uyì ọ̀rẹ́ tọ́mu nàyàgọ̀ wọn gidi nàyàgọ̀ wọn gẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́ nàyàgọ̀ wọn mùsùlùmùsì nàyàgọ̀ wọn àmọ̀tíyà nàyàgọ̀ wọn àhónà ẹ̀ nàyàgọ̀ wọn àjẹmọ́ yìí nàyàgọ̀ wọn igọ̀ wọn ẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀dọ́rẹ́mìyà nàyàgọ̀ wọn àlùsàlùgbà yìí ọ̀rọ̀ uyì ẹ̀dọ́ ọ̀gọ̀ uyì. Ogo ohano bede ya di ogo no wa de ya mu ho wa o na mu ha ya se ogo de ama we di ogo de e ka na di ogo no wa ba na mu ha e ka na mu ho wa ba na di ogo no wa e no wa agwan we do agwan you we mami ohen na wa edem oni ma ri ogo de na wa ohen ri edem wo ni mo ri ogo de mi kiri ewota ejo wa no wa mo go e na mi ke bi uri ogo o mo hen ni wa mo hen ni ogo de ni e ni wanya we mi so ekwu ga mu egwu hu da bo ogo na mi ni ogo yo se ogo ha ogo oyeme daga ewo ebi ni gbeyin ma onye oda oyeme ogo oyeme no ebi no je wa uri ogo na iya e wa ta no ebi no je wa mu edede uri ogo na oje wa okan won mu bie de oku no okan won won o kya no okan won won o mo no okan won mu bie mami o aye jo ma no okan won ya ogwo man jai o aye dede no okan won ya ogwo man jai esa we dun we mami esa we fi na mami apia esa we ye we bi kemi esa we mu ihe mami budage mami ogo no baba na mame ne baba na mu pe ama baba na won go we wa de gu e baba te won manifo o won go no we o we gbagbo wi ran ni ogo ere ti nu gbe Rundu yi no mu yegbe. Mame. Ogo. Ige bana. We are here at the mama with here at the way. What want them we call me, man. Yeah. Call your baba. You were to we were calling, man. But what to pay now to them? He gave the old person. If you buy one man, don't dig where. We are here going. If I buy one man, to go back your go there. Hey! It is high. If you are one man, to go back your go. It is tight. I didn't know what you are going to talk. Who won't go? Back your go. Ari ka bona ari ba amaba ari ba wona somebody no kagbe asabe jonwe asabe noki asabe ni wan abi yoga ipa manjo kwa ye kwa digwe eri manedo eri amwe edena na pa iye anwa me odigwe baba anwa me odigwe Onyeme no onyeme suwe baba nwamme onyeme suwe ye nwama oyewe konwe nu ajebe baba eri ayewe ogo yo la wo fion eri ala wo fion ori ogo ne ogo oyewe no ogoge no ekono mano What is respect? What is respect? Respect. What is respect? Respect is greeting. Greeting is a part of respect. Respect is greeting. You greet people, shows your respect for them. Good morning, sir. Good morning, man. Good evening, Baba. Good evening, Mama. You greet them. They greet you back. Greeting is of two fashions, the giver and the taker. You greet somebody, they greet you back. If you have respect, you greet the people around you, whether you are senior to them or they are senior to you, it doesn't matter. Whether you are colleagues, it doesn't matter. Hello is a greeting. Hi, in America we say hi, it's a greeting. But if you cannot greet, you just walk back. Then you walk back, you walk by the person. Who are you? What are you doing? Are you living? Are you alive? If you are alive, when somebody walks past you, you will get a feeling. You want to say hi. You want to say hello. You greet. Let the greeting not be too heavy on your lips. Let it not become impossible with you. You greet people. And greet them with a smile. Whether they are your customers, whether they are your superiors, whether they are your inferiors, whether they are your subordinates, whether they are your masters, whether they are the people you got, you greet, say hello. Open your mouth and greet and say hello. And because you are respectful, add another word. Say, hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Yes, madam. Yes, sir. Yes, baba. Yes, mommy. Okay, sir. Okay, mommy. It's respect. It shows that you have honor for the person, that the Bible told us just now. 2, respect shows regard. It shows regard. Regard for who the person you are greeting is. Regard for who he is, who she is, who she has come to be. Whether he's a king, whether he's a supervisor, whether he's a president, whether he's a manager, whether he's a principal, whether he's a headmaster, whether he's a father, mother, even if he's a colleague, whoever he is. Listen. When God made this world, he put value in everybody. And that value got to be respected. You must have respect for other people because of the value that God put in their lives. Yes, sir. There is nobody who doesn't have a value in his life. Nobody. Whether it's a drunkard or it's a thief, it's a murderer, he still has the value of the image of God. You give regard to that value. Respect is regard. Regard for the personhood. Regard for mankind. Regard for God. Respect is honor. Honor. You honor people if you are respecting them. The Bible says, honor the king. Honor the king. It's respect. If you need them to greet, say respect. I just give an example. In those culture, the cultural value of respect, it goes even on to how to honor Baba or honor the elderly. When they are coming, you greet them. You need that to greet them. In your cultural, what is it called? Your cultural lineage greeting. There is a lineage greeting. Showing what lineage you came from. Showing what family you belong to. Showing what home you are raised from. Showing who you really are. Who you really are. You represent your lineage. Honor. There are people who have to be honored. By virtue of who they are. By virtue of their position. By virtue of their leadership. By virtue of their wealth. By virtue of their strength. By virtue of their victories in life. By virtue of their wisdom. By virtue of their age. Honor them. When you honor them, you are respecting them. If you do not respect them, you do not honor them. Respect is admiration. Admiration. Respect is showing admiration. It shows you like something. It shows you are immersed in the beauty of the person. If it's an old man with the gray hair, you show that you respect him. You show admiration for his gray hair. You show admiration for his wisdom. You show admiration for his years on earth. You show admiration for what he has come to be. You show admiration for what he can do. You show admiration for. You admire him. You admire the woman. You admire the man. You admire the child. You admire the intelligence of the young man. You admire the expertise of his profession. You respect him. When you respect him, you are showing admiration for that person. Respect is praise. Praise. You praise people. You praise people. You are respecting them. You respect people, you praise them. When you say Baba, it's not your father. But you say Baba, you are respecting him. You are praising him. Because he's old enough to be your father. But even though he's not your father. When you praise Mama, you praise that woman, Mama. You are praising her. Because he's old enough to be your mother. Even though it's not your mother. Respect is applause. Respect is applause. It's to hail somebody. It's to clap for somebody. It's to exalt somebody. To respect is you are exalting somebody. You are holding somebody high. You are making him know that he's not like other people. You so like this young child. You respect the child for who he is. You applaud the child. He's so cute. The child is so cute. The baby is so beautiful. You see? You praise children in school, they do better. You praise children at home, they do better. You praise your worker, they work with harder. You praise others, they are happy, they live longer. You see? Respect goes far to applause. Respect is fear. Fear in the positive sense. You respect people, you fear them. Not because they're going to punish you, but because you don't want to withdraw what is due them. You quickly do that one thing for them, or you quickly follow in their instruction, or you quickly answer them. Your Baba is calling you, your Mama is calling you. You fear. If you don't answer, you fear. You fear them, you run, you go meet them. When you see an old man, you fear that if you don't help the old man, God is saying you. Is that so? Yes, it is so. With fear and trembling. Respect. Let me tell you the mothers, our mothers. Our mothers, you are married to a husband, right? Mm-hmm. You respect him, you show fear for him. Fear in a positive sense. You go quickly, when you come back from work, you go quickly and you go to the kitchen, you are starting to cook. You have not even removed all your nice dresses or your jewelry. You are starting to cook. You are starting to boil water. You are trying to warm soup. Go. Because of fear and trembling for your husband. It's because of the respect you have for him. That has not eaten. This is for that you don't touch it. Because of the fear you have for your husband. It's the same thing. The husband will do the same thing for the wife. Oh, that's for my wife. Reserve that for my wife. Hey, don't touch my wife. He's afraid. He's fearing your wife's integrity. Respect is greeting. Respect is regard. Respect is honor. Respect is admiration. Respect is praise. Respect is applause. Respect is fear. Wagume ogo. Àwọn ọgọ́rùn-ún onyeme ọgwụ yi. Àwọn ọgọ́ náà wà rí. Húndà onyeme ọgwụ yi nọ rẹ́dàgbọ̀n onyeme ní ọgwụwẹ̀rí ọgọ́ náà wà rí. Èdè ọmọ náà o, èdèdè náà o, ọ̀kàwò náà o, ọmọ náà o, ọ̀dọ̀ náà o, ọ̀túnwà náà o, ìwọ̀wà náà o. Ọgọ onyeme ọgwụ yi nọ gwe ọmị. Onyeme ni ọsùwọ̀kẹ́ onyeme ni sùwọ̀kẹ́ fún ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀dùnàdí ọ̀gọ̀ náà ẹ̀dùnàdí ẹ̀ bàbá ẹ̀dùnàdí ẹ̀ iyè ẹ̀dùnàdí ọ̀tẹ́mẹ́ ẹ̀dùnàdí ẹ̀ òwìmẹ́ náà òwìmẹ́ ẹ̀dùnàdí ẹ̀ ẹ̀dàgbàkìá ẹ̀dùnàdí ẹ̀ oko ìyá onyeme ọgwụ yi nọ gwọ̀wà ní ẹ̀gwùrí ọ̀gọ̀ náà gbàgbórí ọ̀gọ̀ náà wa onyeme ọgwụ yi nùgbọ́gẹ́bà onyeme ọ̀rẹ́tì eti igbe gbedongokwe na ogokwo na ebi no setiu uri ogo na unda ebi no setiu o ebe gbigo no o ebe gbe pa na gbe no o ebe gbe mata na ta no o ebe yen no gwe no etie o ikokon so wa be uri ogo na igba ma no wa mu na no wa gbo no wa gbogbo no wa gbogbo uri ogo na runda ogwo bogbe o wetin gbe. The Baba no think about Boasan asking Ningi. Who you got there? Who that tin of any? Even on the chip wagbo, who Bakuto do the Yanuena? Uma Godia, Yoyano. Sabadan Yadimao. It's only the Wabukia we went to Jabukia. Bagurio Godoa. Umame ogomani umame riogodo wano ma beno ya mabagbon dege o ma obowa o ma oriogo o ma o ma o ma o ma kilodo o ma o komu bonya kega o ma o Jesu ko la diawo o ma o do ki o ọmọ muse ọmọ iya mama gbona o sa ba ya agwoba ori ogo yo And whether or nothing, whether you know so your property. Whether you know more than come on, but you can go. What better than yeah. Umama bona war a woman. Take a nice video, who the gay, with your god jaw. You can go to a few months if you with your god and jaw. Oh, go. Oh, about bay. Bagu, Bagu, who there we not bay, about bay. It's time able to ban. About bay. Only a sukudo yona lagabo, on me will be a baby corey. Who put on bay on a seg bag, boy, you know, no care yaku. Ekinodo or yaboa, oh baby, ekbe, la. If you're going to do it. Who that comes up when you have moved your gun? But bay or baby, you're going to. What hell? But babe or Harry. If I had no hay, if not bay, give me no hay. If not baby, no hay. I go have a scatum that go man a big again. Who born on more bonia turn it on? Eh, Mutusaka, who bonia turn it on? Who do you go there? What people here? Oh, baby, no hay. Oh, baby, no hay. I'm not be able to cocoa. No man can hook you. You might have seen either. Boy, here. Oh, you know how or Bungwe. Oh, no, don't you go well of your money or beer. Over here, me. Everyone go or beer. The big one. I was a thing you quote. Banner. All that will wear or having no. Oh, we will head. Oh, baby, you're heavy. Who you don't live your. Why respect? Say respect. Why respect? Respect. Number one, you respect admiration. You admire people, you respect them. You respect them because you admire them. It could be an old man with a gray hair. It could be a tall person. It could be a sturdy person. It could be a strong person. You admire who they are. So you respect them for who they are. You admire life. You admire everything around. Two, you admire them for their abilities. When you see people who are able to run fast, admire them for it. Then you respect them for it. You see people who are able to walk fast, respect them for it. You see people who are able to box, you respect them for it. You see somebody who is able to feed his children, respect him for it. You see mama who has 2-3 children, respect her for it. The road she has traveled, you respect them for it. For their abilities to be fathers and mothers, to be graduates of schools, of students, for passing in school, ability to pass examination. Respect them for it. Respect people for their qualities of life. For their qualities of life. You see a man, he has money, but he doesn't boast with his money. Respect him for it. You see a woman, she's very beautiful, but she's not arrogant because she's beautiful. Respect her for it. Respect a man who is intelligent. Respect a man who is respectable. Respect people for their abilities. He's a good athlete. He's a good footballer. He's a good a singer. Respect them for who they are. Their abilities in life. God gave them. Their qualities of life. Respect people for their achievements. For their achievement, you respect them. Somebody has a bicycle to ride. He's not walking. You respect him. Even if somebody is walking, for being able to walk 3 miles, you respect him for it. When we were children, we used to hear about a man who used to walk to Benin City from our village, 30 miles. He walked to Benin City. In fact, they even said he walked to Benin and came back the same day. Oh, Salobo. We respect such people, man. Respect them for their values. Respect people for their values. For their values that God gave to them. Don't ignore the value in people. Everybody has value in his life or her life. When you don't respect them, you are ignoring the values in their life. You are not their maker. Jesus Christ no be salubwa o miogo no kawo. Jesus Christ no be salubwa ona kayimi gade. Obi salubwa yan hio. Ona do mo gbedo to. Ona do bi o ko igba de na gba na munya ho. Obeti na ya gbe na o ma gbe na. Obeti na abo hio ma o ma bo hio ma pa. Ona mo gbedo to na wo ma ya fe. Oni o wa no miogo. Ave yogo no wa no miogo. Oh! No forgive. Anyone, as you go, anyone, here, go see and be or see and ball. I did here. Have anyone, would anyone, you winning. Anyone winner. Anyone winner. Any of Miogo. Who they anyone yakin. Enikao. Ewanikao, Babo. Hey Nikao, hey Nikao, Ewanikao, Babo. Okagbe, or no cow. The head man always or no cow and anything. A principal college, or no cow. A commissioner, a permanent secretary, a governor, a Manoko, and a senator, a president of Nigeria, a president of a bank. The Manoko, you're going on the Yakao. A gay and lion could say, "Eta wa bia na wa seba." Oh, you go ni. Ogo. Evanikao. Eninyama, emana gbona ni obi nyama. Wa no ba oge ego adia. Nyonya. Nmati supervisor Evanoko da obi sibuda. No nyama no na lele. Umia. Okako Yonya abe evi yokono lekan. Umia. Evanenya odo onjankwo. Umia. Ana ti e don yan. Wo ya to da fun e to kwa keke wo bi e don yan bai. Wo ma ti yin yan bai o ba ri owo yo. De! Ana hin. O bi edo. Ogo. Asi ni no nyama. No nyame na hime. Ija, bebe ni ye no kwata. No nyame na hime. Atabu mu. Ya la mo o hwempa. Wa ho. E ma ni nyama. Odo kibame. Adi ogo no do, abeji ogo na me. Odo pa re ogo na. O abeji ogo na me. O na ni odo ni o gbogbogbò. Odo ni odo kikan. Odo ni muja na wa. Odo ni obo wa. Odo ni obo de. Adi ogo den. Abeji ogo na me. Àwọn ni obiele ni ma. Àwọn ni ole. Àwọn ni oton. Mami, àwọn ni odo wayi. Owe yugbore don je kire don. Odo le la idan gboya. Ọba nle ogbo so ba mi mami e se ya de mu agbo ya lo bi dan o àwọn ènìyàn be gbe baba o be ya nyo ogbo be ni baba be gogo mi don no do do soto no do baba do ye ke e wa gbona ya lo e ba ya lo e ko yibo giaso. Ave yogo ni yi mani yogo no kwoni. No bere ba ka owe. Gbe no mu na bi ya be agbon ya lo bi na wa kan we. Oye de ko pa. So do lo bi ku e. all do new word do no way do go. Have you go no cool in na home? Have you go no cool no muhe na u no ma vient na go. Have you go be ne? Vient. Go ma dia. Tu solo ba be ye. We have go we say have you go no we. We say do nya e do be yan to ni na de mo ni de no. Have you go na uyi. Olabo. Uyi no labo. Have you go no uyi no labo. Agba wo na u ri go yo. Wa u ma na ri go yo yo ya no. Agba wo na kwa u ri go yo. Agba le ma la. E na we na u ebo. Ewe. Esuku no, esosu no. Egbe no we na we na u na mu hije. U ri go du hi ni. E ba so yan de yan de fi go du hi. U hi be mu ya. Ado gbe an san gbo se ya mo so ye kan. Sare bo wa mi do. An jogo de evien re. Evien oge re. Evien re. Na yo ni ka. Evien re. Ikeke re uri ogo yo. Yogo na ya gberia. Imote re ore ba ya gbebu ko e. Ah. Uri ogo na. O wa re ya na yo. Ya yo. Ah. O to ga re ya la o. Ya shon wo ri o yo. Even so by na ri ogo ye evien re. Evien buwa ko fono ya do seba ke de na ya na ke hu na yo. Who to respect Jesus Christ, the Son of God. He was equal to God, but he came down to the earth and died on the cross because of us. Respect him. Respect the parents and elders. Parents and elders. It took them time to become parents and elders in the land. They have gray hair. They have worked for many years. Respect them. You respect for leaders, your teachers, your school headmaster, your counselor, your commissioner, your governor, your president, your chairman, whoever is leader, whatever they are leading, they have a responsibility before God. Respect them. When they are talking, don't talk. Listen to their instructions and be good followers. It's not only good leaders we want. Good leaders we want. Good leaders. No, we also want good followers. Good followers. Good followers. It comes out of respect. Masters. Servants have masters. People in a team, they have masters. There are masters over the household, masters over everything you see in this world. Those who are working under the masters, they should respect the masters. Husbands and wives. Husbands should be respected. And wives should be respected. Husbands respect wives. Wives respect husbands. After all, you are co-laborers in the family that God created. Have respect for one another, for each other. The law. Have respect for the law. The law is made for everybody. You respect the law. Don't break the law. It's like for you and me, everybody. Don't break the law. The law is supposed to put the whole society in balance. Respect for properties. Respect other people's property. What other people have. Bicycle or car or house or land or plot or whatever. Respect them. Don't treat them shabbily because it's not your own. The people who own those things, it costs them time, energy, and sweat to have those things. Respect people's properties. I'm gonna go. Oh, walking. Come on, I'm gonna go waking. Then I'm gonna go waking. Then I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Oh, it's Zebudu. Only one knows Zebudu. On a Zebudu, Mongo. No one won't get it Zebudu. He's doing my. I'm Mongo. Oh, yeah. Icordion. Oh, and then Mongo. Icordion, get on your cordion. Gear, my way. Bumbo gear. With you talk. Oh, you can come. Oh, how young. Oh, but I do not to a neighbor, so you are our mouth, your gar, mouth, you're going to get the you. Don't die about not to it. We are going to, but I will tell you again. Yeah, Udagi, man. Muda hemo go, hell don't win it. Oh, my God, you get. Oh, and I'm going to go, you can't around here, you know. They buy no, like you know, as if you it's okay. Oh, and I'm going to go. Oh, you over, oh, no, you over. You over, I think, be more gay. Of your boy, Yakbo. Of your boy, Yakbo. Oh, you and the mammy at there. That's a thing I call you. I could do a walk when you ever go. You over, Giga. You over, boy. Oh, and I'm going to go. Oh, you take Bemu, or not take Bemu. Or take Bemu. Or take Bemu. Or take Bemu. Maybe said to me, well, you have you. Your pardon. Oh, I take Bemu. Oh, I take Bemu again, Naman gay, Okudo, Karakwa. Oh, no, go, or take Bemu. No, go give sir. Oh, I no go, or my own sir. Or my own sir. My name will go. I'm my own sir. Audio, I will go. My name will go. Go no one's at home with video tour. You know, car 201. Go ye no what. Go yima. Go rim. Go baba. Well, I go on and tell Baba, we know. Oh, who don't you go there? You know, those who don't have respect. No respect is to disrespect. No respect is disrespect is one, rudeness. Somebody who is rude. He doesn't accept anything, he doesn't listen to anything, he's rude. In his approach to life, he's rude. Approach to people is rude. Rudeness. Those are people who are disrespectful. Ugliness. People who are not respectful, they are ugly people. They close their eyes against every good thing. When you are greeting them, they don't answer. They see you coming because they cannot respect, they cannot accept respect, because they cannot respect people, they put their eyes on gear. As if they didn't see you. That I saw you. When you say good morning, sir, then you later say, hey. Whereas he saw you in the first place, he saw you come you. He knew when you got there. But he pretended I didn't see you. Gee. Ugliness. Arrogance. People who don't respect, they are arrogant people. They think that they are all in all. They think that nobody is like them. They think that they are superior. People who have no respect, they are prideful, proud. They have no respect for people because they attain a certain position. They are proud of who they are. Because they're educated, or because they have some money, or because they're good fighters, or what. They are so proud, then they cannot respect the people. Woo! People have no respect. They are impostors. They are imposturing. Imposture is somebody who tries to deceive people to be what he is not. He is not, but he tried to convince people that he is, or that she is. It's an impostor. People who have no respect, they are ungodly. Ungodliness, no respect, this and disrespect is ungodliness. God asks us to be humble. If you are not respectful, you cannot show godliness at all. Godliness is not to you because you look down on people, even the people created by God. You don't see value in anybody. You don't see value in anything. You are not godly. If you say you are godly, you be respectful. If you carry Bible everywhere, you should be able to say hello to everybody. Yeah. When you carry Bible, you are carrying a testimony of godliness. Be respectful. Be honorable and honor people. Above all, God will bless you. Today we talk about respect. It's invite you for you to emulate. If you don't have it now. From this day on, respect all people. Respect the law. Respect property. Respect God. Honor God. Respect the king. When you kneel down to greet somebody, you are not worshiping the person. When you kneel down to greet the king or the Ojonwere, you are not worshiping the people. I've heard some people saying that it's like worshiping people. That's not true. It's not true at all. Not because you kneel down to worship to greet somebody. You are not worshiping the person. You are respecting the person. You are honoring the person. Let your life be honorable. Be respectful. I'm a video talk. Atu bawe. Wa atu mana digweto wa. Ani mari ma tu Gavin Agosalobwa. You want to wear digweto wa Agosalobwa. Iya feku gbere mo. Adigweto wa amari ma ai wa Gavin Agosalobwa. Iya ebi va no. Ugunga wa no. Di owo no wa be. Digweto wa be. Digweto baba digweto ni wa. Aya di owo ne wa. God nyame na ime woze imawu woze iro ogo no aya ahro ma we o ma die ma o wa na wa usadobwa iya feko ata na o amusa ro robu wa ya fe nya usadobwa e me na no die di ogo e na ge la ma rio ke ban pa ge ma ri e ma ogo ke ma yo ya fe e ma u ya fe e na ma una ya fe na ma wi no mo se Munda ogo say, you know, everything Jesus Christ the Yama. He said, help us, O Lord, to be respectful. Help us, O Lord, to be honorable. And may we show this virtue in our lives, that we might be blessed, that our society might be blessed. In the name of Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen. It's 1 hour already. I will go to Wabewahu. I thank all of you who came today. Hi, Ugagbe. Ugagbe, we have missed you for a long time. Wilfred Ugagbe Koyo, we thank you for coming today. Matinyara Bobokia, thank you. Patiko Sunday Koyo, Weso, Evanway Taiva, Uyo Word. Matinyara Bokoyo, Adiogonoma, Hundek Bedokere, I want to know. Orako. Kuyo owe baba ogo we yari ni me no we baba mami o ama wagbon mo ti yara bo ogie san je pen obi pen no wa obi no yan mozo obi zo mo no zebu obi uzebu na za moma o kola ogodo iya weso glory yamu kuyo obukian o kuyo Atiosa TV obukia o Patiko Sunday weso dan rotan Christian vasu you walk arena afian go salogba ogwa ya fero It's God wabe Jimmy una one I went I had the buy away and the buy the give my mind again. God no quality or me that way affair is we need Jesus Christ is come back on Friday. We are coming to talk about Edo language, Edo virtues. On Friday is Edo. Edo was the Friday Yakwano. Ade one day your mama baby ade. Agunwa away. Emi ni ma won wa ga won away. I give me away on yama yo ya. Ayata okay okay. YouTube.com. Okay. La moye photo, moyama, sayama no ye no awe. Nya make it I kidom. The ya fe. Ben mata na way the be age. Na be ya be age. Ye be ne tuan be no so. E bo be ka o. Na we mama ya we go ma la hawa di abe ago ma. So ba de wa ya fe o de ba wa ya. O ki ya ko be Jesus Christ. It's Baba. Saguaro.